In this lesson, we're going to look at using named destinations for linking to other documents within the AutoBookmark plugin. A destination is a named page view listed in the Destinations pane of a PDF file. They can be used as endpoints for bookmarks and links, as well as for external links from PDF, HTML, and ASP files. Advantages would include that they are not affected by deletion or insertion of pages, meaning that editing in one document would not cause a need to update references in other documents. It's important to note that destination names are unique within each PDF document. A destination can only point to a page view. A linked dictionary is a collection of search terms, such as words or phrases, and their corresponding actions. Link actions would include functions like going to a page in the current or another PDF document, opening a file or web page, or executing a menu item. Linked dictionaries allow you to automatically add links to the search terms. For example, an objective might be to link text in one PDF to a named destination. This could be a section or a page in another PDF. The example shown here demonstrates clicking on Chapter 3, detailing its involvement with Section 3.2, and being taken to Section 3.2 in an entirely different document. Firstly, all destinations must be created in the document we want to create links to. Destinations can be viewed in the Destination pane, and they refer to pages in this open document. Consult the first Destinations lesson on how to create destinations if necessary. To put this into practice, begin by opening the PDF document that you want to link from. Go to Plugins in the upper menu, then click Links, and then Create Link from Dictionary. A pop-up window will appear where you can select Create New Dictionary. Then select Add in the next pop-up window. In the text box that appears, type in the text in the current PDF document to add the link to. In the Action Type menu, select Go to a page in another document. Then select the Use Named Destinations option. In the Destination text box, type in the destination name. In our example, this is Section 3.2. In the Document Name text box, type in the PDF name to link to. Then click OK at the bottom of the window. Click OK again in the Edit Link Dictionary window. Then save the new linked dictionary in a file. Click OK in the Create Links from Dictionary window. Then after processing, a dialog box will appear showing the number of links that have been created. Click OK again. The new links will appear in blue. Let's click on one of these links. Clicking OK will save the changes we've just made in the open document. The link immediately takes us to a specific place in another document. Visit evermap.com for more PDF solutions.